Hey, what's up? It's your girl Shay. Welcome to my page. Do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, let's get into it. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl Shay back with another video. Today's video will be me doing my own distressed butterfly locks. Yes, that's right. I'm doing my own butterfly locks, and I do not have the pre-made locks. Excuse me. I do not have the pre-made locks. I am actually going to be making these locks. This video was definitely inspired by Unique because she told me she was getting her hair done. Well, she told me she was going to do her hair, and she sent me the link to a video on YouTube, and I opened the link, and it was a video from Lifewithjaelyndae. She has the easiest tutorial with actually a couple different methods and ways of how to do these butterfly locks. When I say it was so easy, the only thing is it did take a while because I had like a lot of stuff going on, and of course, you know, I have a toddler, and this was my first time trying this style. So it did take me some time. I'm not even going to tell y'all how long it took me because it's going to discourage y'all, and that's not what I want to do. I want y'all to get out here and try this style just like I did. So I know these first ones look a little crazy. I did go back and redo 2 of them because, well, look, you see them. I did go back and do them because they was looking a little cray-cray, and they felt a little cray-cray to me too. So I went back and I did them once I finished my hair. But this is it starting. Yes, it was me doing all of this, doing all of the parting, doing everything. Mind you, this is my first time doing my hair like this. This is my first time attempting to do anything like this. And stay tuned.
Aristotle.
At this point, I have been working on my hair for forever, so of course I'm gonna do the backhand bounce shoulder roll because baby, my arms was hurting, shoulder hurting, everything was hurting.
Aristotle.